To make this beautiful floral piece, you definitely need a bridal satin to make it look vibrant. This was the first one I made using a needle and thread, but for this video we will be using a lighter and a glue, which will give us something more solid. I used 3 by 3 inches of square cut petals to achieve this, but for this video I will be using 2.5 by 2.5 inches for the squares of the petals that I'll be forming for this flower today. You need 6 to 8 pieces of square cut fabrics for this star flower, but for this video I am using 7 of them. So let's get into business to see how to achieve this beautiful flower. All you need is a simple tool, your glue and a lighter. First, you have to fold the square piece into this triangular piece by following a diagonal part of your square piece. Ensure to press it down to keep it in place and then fold to a smaller triangle. Next is to burn this open edge, and I recommend you use a tweezer to keep your fingers safe from getting burnt, because as you can see you have quite a long length of piece to burn, so you will need this piece to protect your fingers, and you also need to trim first to keep all the piece in alignment before you start to burn. And instead of using your fingers, you can use this tweezer to press down the hot edge to make it seal fast while hot. This is what you should exactly get at the end of the day. Now from the center, spread and press down the piece. You'll be getting a triangular piece with a very sharp tip. Holding both arms, carefully fold from the middle to achieve this form, and finally take those arms a bit backwards. Then trim off this excess part with your sharp scissors and finally burn it up to seal. So this smooth surface is the front side while this is the back side. Take a closer look on how you can form these petals for more accurate results. The beautiful thing about this method is that it gives you very solid looking petals, which at the end of the day will also give you very solid looking flower. Next is to join the petals. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will also appreciate your feedback or question under the comment section. Now you can see how solid, neat and lovely these petals look on my hand. Now to assemble the petals, drop a small size glue by the side to add the next petal until you complete the circle. You can actually see the difference between this and the one on the table. This actually looks so professional and very even. Now you can simply spread out your glue a little bit to add your button. This beautiful flower piece can actually be used for several purposes. One of them is a brooch. To make a brooch, simply cut a circular piece from a tough material, cut it open and pass your pin through it. Then when you are done, spread out your glue and then attach it to your flower. To make a clip, you will need this stainless clip, which is usually more readily available than other kinds of clip. You have to cut a small piece of circular material of green, white or same color with your flower. Simply cut it open and pass your clip through it to attach it to your flower. Ensure to face this part of the clip downwards in order to do so. That's the top part of the clip. You can now apply some glue on your clip to hold the piece before you finally attach it to your flower. With this method, this clip can last as long as possible. If you enjoyed this video to the end, don't forget to subscribe to get more value-packed videos to come.